We've got a great new feature to share with you today, and it is called Copy Contact Workflow Action. So if you're curious what this new feature is, now you can effortlessly move contacts to different sub-accounts if you have more than one in our CRM. Why it matters and how this is going to help you. This is going to allow you to effortlessly distribute leads to other accounts within our CRM if you have multiple accounts, which will allow you to organize customer data without manual effort. It's also going to allow you to customize copying to ensure precise targeting. How you're going to do this is you are going to first create a new workflow, and you'll do this by going to automations, then to workflows, and then you will check. How you're going to do this is you are going to first create a new workflow, and to do that you're going to go to automations, then to workflows, and then you're going to click the blue button plus create workflow. From there, you're going to select start from scratch, and you can choose any trigger, including no trigger. Then you're going to click add your first action, and you're going to select the action copy contact. In the right side where you can customize how this action works, you're going to go ahead and select the account that you'd like that to be moved to, and then you're going to decide if you'd like to move your tags over or copy those custom fields. Don't forget to save and publish your workflow. Now, how are you going to use this workflow? I'm actually going to give you two different easy options. The first one relates to the smart lists. And within the contacts, you're going to go ahead and make sure you're under smart lists, and then you're going to choose the little icon add to workflow. Option 2, you're going to add a trigger of your choosing inside that workflow we just created. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.